Were you ever new to UCF, had no one to talk to, had no friends, but wanted someone who was familiar with UCF? Well, now you can have your very own Knightro. Introducing Knightro, your friendly neighborhood guide to campus life. He can introduce himself.
Hey Knightro. Hello.
Hello, Knight.
He understands football.
Hey Knightro. Touchdown.
Touchdown by the Knights.
He can tell you how he feels.
Hey Knightro. How is your day?
I am feeling good.
He understands his status in the world.
Hey Knightro. Are you royal?
No, I am just a knight, but look at my wave.
Hi, I'm Cynthia Purillo Sardinias, and I designed the voice assistant.
I'm Riley Beal, and I worked on the CAD design and the aesthetics.
My name is Billy Byerly. I worked on CAD design, 3D printing, as well as budgeting.
Hi, I'm Tyler Rako, and I helped with CAD design, printing, and post-processing.
I'm Ashton Prasad, and I worked on serial communication and data transfer.
I'm Brandon Botts, and I did motion design and helped implement the electrical system.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Eric, and I help with the CAD design and design electrical system.
The Knightro animatronic is a fully functioning animatronic with 16 motors capable of 15 degrees of freedom. To control the figure, there is a Mycroft voice assistant capable of connecting to the Internet of Things, hosted on a Raspberry Pi and transferring the data to Arduinos. This animatronic project is capable of connecting to the Internet of Things, allowing for students to access information across the Internet. It also helps stimulate interest in the UCF academic engineering program by showing off different projects that the students can help create. For our testing procedures, we broke it down in both hardware and software. On the hardware side, we tested each motor individually to determine its accuracy and positioning. We then included it into each subassembly, determined by the arms, torso, head, etc. Once that testing was completed, we brought it into the full assembly of the full torso. In the software section, we broke it down into the different skills, starting off with the voice activation within the skill, then adding in the motor components into each hardware subassembly, and eventually the full assembly.
We chose to focus on our particular project due to the unique design circumstances that it forced us to work under. In typical projects, the design choices are meant to work on the needs of a consumer, whereas this project forced us to think about the wants of an end user because of the entertainment industry. Another reason that we chose to work on this project was because of the unique experience compared to all the other projects. While most of them had their own unique choices and styles, this one made us focus on things that we were not used to in our typical engineering study and made us delve into topics that were just unique and different and something that we may not have experienced before.
The biggest lesson our group learned as a collective is the importance of taking into account the inconsistencies in manufacturing when designing a product. we have to make sure that our tolerances and our assembly process takes into account that the prints and the way we make our pieces might not be exactly the way we wanted them to come out.
The project turned into a passion project for all members of the group. The level of complexity brought challenges that were fulfilling to solve and fun. After time, we had major successes and major step forwards, which energized us and kept us moving forward.
Well, one of the biggest challenges our team faced was probably learning all the coding requirements, because we had the Minecraft platform, the Raspberry Pi platform, and all the Arduinos. So the way we kind of got it to start working was to split it up 3 ways between me, Brandon, and Cynthia.
Since our project was presented to the school by a student, we did not have a stakeholder like some of the other groups did. So our feedback mostly came from our faculty advisor. Most of his feedback consisted of reminding the team that as mechanical engineers, our expertise was in the mechanical aspects of this project, and that we shouldn't let other parts of the project, like the coding or the voice assistant, overshadow the mechanical aspects or be a detriment to the mechanical aspects of our project. So to combat this, we paused and took some time away from doing that to put more time into the mechanical and electrical parts.
Through the use of Google Drive, Discord, and Fusion 360, our team was able to share ideas and have weekly meetings to reinforce the work we were doing separately. All design concepts were shared in the Drive, and all team members had access to CAD models in Fusion 360's collaborative interface.
As you can see, our Knightro figure is just as friendly as the real deal. Our animatronic's ability to answer questions while moving and gesturing ensures that he is a worthy addition to our UCF campus, and that he showcases the wonderful skills you can learn while attending the UCF engineering program.